As you all know, we started the program 20 years ago, serving science teachers. And then around 6 years ago, we started the Mathematics Regional Collaboratives. And I cannot tell you how pleased I am with the level of achievement of the Mathematics Regional Collaboratives that we have seen over the last few years. You have achieved so much in such a short time that it is really a testament of what happens when we try to move islands of excellence from one place to another. And the fact that now we are adopting a mentoring component in the Math Regional Collaborative, where teachers are developed to become math teacher mentors and they mentor other teachers, is a clear indication of the impact we are making across the state on many teachers, whether they are math mentors or cadre members. And I really want to recognize Debbie Junk's leadership in the Math Regional Collaborative for her tremendous zeal to ensure that our math project directors and instructional teams are always on the cutting edge of excellence in math education. So this year, we started this award because if I want to judge the collaboratives, every project directors in math is worthy of this award. So the way we picked this award, we asked Debbie, who knows you so well, to give us a few nominations, and then we did some all kinds of investigations about the achievement, etc. And Carol did her work, and all of the staff members did their work. And the first year award for the Nita Beth Legacy Award goes to Susan Bowen. Bohan. I see this woman in meetings, in workshops, at project directors meetings. She's always pursuing resources, and you, the teachers, are always on her mind. And I think Susan has contributed to the quality, quantity, and accountability of Mathematics Regional Collaboratives. And I know that the best person who knows Susan is Debbie. So I'm going to ask Debbie on her feet to say a few words about Susan. Did you write it down?
Yes.
Okay. And then we'll make the presentation.
I kind of knew Camille would do this to me. He came and told me about 15 minutes ago would I make some remarks. And between Carol and I, we were able to make this very long list very quickly because of the really nice things that we had to say about you, Susan. The first thing that came to mind to both of us is we travel around the staff and we visit the regional collaboratives and we try to hit everyone as often as possible. And so one of our first visits together was to go see her region. And she had planned the afternoon where we got in the car and we buzzed around everywhere. And on every door that we knocked, they welcomed her like a sister or an aunt or someone that was their friend. And especially I remember we went into one, it's a rural area, and the district offices are often about the size of the Nueces room back there. And but we walked in and they were in the middle of an important meeting with principals, and Susan said, well, we can go in there. We got to say hi to the superintendent. And he came right out and hugged Susan. When Jim was here yesterday, he said, where are you going to see? And I said, well, I want you to see some good collaboration. And also I wanted him to learn a little bit about math because he's not a math person. And I took him to DMI with your group. And it was such a nice showing of exactly why she should receive this award. Her teachers love her. She is a true teacher advocate. She believes in nurturing teachers. All of the things that Jim talked about in mentoring, she exemplifies in her good communication skills and her appreciation for the value of a good relationship. So I have like 8 more things on this list, but I want to give her some time. And I'm really proud of her and the rest of you, because we all know that we support each other as well in growing as project directors.
Thank you, Debbie. Thank you for those beautiful words. I want to read what we're giving Susan. Again, we will be doing this for both science and math for as long as we are around, because we have to recognize excellence. And I think what Debbie said is so important, that the project directors across the state are not only people who put together professional development. They are the brokers. They bring people together. They ensure that superintendent, executive directors are aware of what's happening, and Susan exemplifies that so well. Well, in honor of a lifetime of dedication and commitment to quality education for Texas teachers and students, exemplified by Nita Beth Camp, founding project director of Region 7 Collaborative, the Texas Regional Collaborative recognized Susan Bowen, project director, Region 6 Mathematics Collaborative, as the 2011 recipient of the Nita Beth Camp Legacy Award, 17th annual meeting, Thursday, the 30th day of June, 2011, Austin, Texas. Congratulations, Susan.
Thank you.